Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain how to draw this 3D model in Fusion 360. So here we have to draw 3D model and then we have to convert into orthographic views, that is front view, top view and left hand side view. Also section plane is given here. So we need sectional top view. So first we will draw 3D model and then we will convert into orthographic views. Now here if we observe, there are three parts in this model. This bottom, which is horizontal, then this cylindrical part, and then this rib. First we will draw 2D sketch for this horizontal part. So we will draw 2D sketch for this profile. So go to create and select create sketch command. Now we have to draw this profile. So I will select this plane to draw the 2D sketch. Then select line command and draw the profile. So I am drawing without dimension and later on we can give the dimension. This we have drawn without dimensions. Now we can give the dimensions. So select dimension command and here we can give the dimension one by one. So this total it is 100. So from this corner to this it is 100. So it is already 100. Then this vertical part it is 12 mm. So this is 12 mm. This also 12 mm. Then this total it is 24. So this is also 12. So from this to this it is 24. From this to this it is 52. From to this it is 52. Then this it is 24. So this is 24. This also 24. Yes, it is already 24. Height of this slot it is 10. So height of this inner slot it is 10. Here it is 10. So this is 10. This is also 10. Now this line, this horizontal line is not collinear with this center. So if we give this height as 10, then it will move to this level. So give dimension from this line to this center, it is 10. So this line will move to this axis. Now this is symmetric to this vertical line. So we will give this dimension. As this total is 52, this will be 26, like this. Now so this is 12. So we can give here it is 12. This is also 12. So we can give this 12 like this. Now we can see color of this sketch, it is black, so it is completely constrained. We have given all the dimensions. So we can click on finish sketch. If it is not converted into 3D, then click on this home button. It will convert to 3D. Now we have to extrude this profile in this direction by 160 mm. So select this extrude command, select this profile and select direction or click and drag this arrow and total it is 160. So we are extending back side, so we can give minus 160, press enter key. So we can see we have got this bottom surface. Now we can draw the cylindrical surface. So on this surface we can draw this 2D profile, and then we can extrude by 76 mm. So go to create sketch, select this plane. So on this plane we will draw this 2D sketch. Here we will draw that 2D sketch. So from this corner it is 42. Or first we will draw the circular parts. So there are two coinciding circle. This is semicircle and this is. So with this center we have to draw one circle and one semicircle. So randomly I will draw two circle. Inner circle diameter it is 30. So we can enter here 30. Then with same center we have to draw another circle. Its radius is 30. So diameter is 60. Now we will give the dimensions. So this center it is 42 from this line. So take dimension command, select this center and this line. It is 42. Now from this side, this center will be at 30 mm because radius of this curve it is 30. So from this center will be at 30 mm. So again take dimension command. Then from this line, this center it is at 30. So enter 30. Now we have to draw these vertical lines. So select line command. From this corner it is tangent to this circle, and from this vertical line like this. So automatically it become black. So it is completely constant. Now we need to erase this half circle. So select trim command and select this lower half circle. So in this way we have created this profile. Now we will extrude this by 76 in this direction. So click on finish sketch, click on home, then select extrude command, select this profile, click and drag the arrow. So here it is 76 and we are extruding this in back side. So we can enter here minus 76, press enter key. So we can use shift and scroll to move this, and we can observe the 3D model. Now only rib is remaining. So we will draw one line which is passing from the center and tangent to this cylinder. So select create sketch command. Now this profile is passing through the center, so we will select this profile, then select line command, then select this point, and here this, and we can add the constraint. So this line should be tangent to the cylinder, so select this tangent constraint, select this line and this cylinder. Also this point should be at this corner, so select this coincident, this point with this point, so it will become black. Then click on finish sketch, click on home, select rib command, then select this profile, that line. Now thickness of this rib is 12, so enter 12, and here it is automatically selecting the direction of rib, so click enter. So in this way we can draw rib. We can press shift button, scroll button and move the mouse to see the object from different direction. So in this way we have created 3D model. Now we have to create 2D sketch, that is front view, top view, that is sectional top view, and left hand side view. So go to design, drawing, and select from design. Give the name to this object, and this name will be replicated in the title box of the sheet. So here I will give 3D model with sectional orthographic view. Click on save. Then keep this by default and select OK. So here we will get seat, and we can see that name 3D model with sectional orthographic view. It is reflected here. This name and date is also reflected. And along with this cursor, there is one view. So if you see this object, this is left hand side view. So I will place this left hand side view here. Then click on OK. So this is left hand side view. So from this we can project different views. So select projected view, then select this view and move the cursor on left side. So here we will get front view. Then from this front view we can draw top view. So select this projected view command, select the front view, move the cursor in downward direction. We will get top view. Then we can draw 3D model also. So again select this projected view, select the front view, move the cursor in this direction and place this 3D model here. Then if we want shaded portion for this 3D profile, then double click on this and here select shaded, click on close. Now we want sectional top view. So for that purpose we have to draw this cutting plane. So this cutting plane is passing through center of circle. So select create section view and we have to draw the section plane in the front view. So select front view. We have to draw cutting plane from this center. So go to the center first and then move the cursor so that we can draw from center and draw cutting plane up to here so that we will get complete sectional view. So click here and then press enter key and move the cursor in top view and place that top view here. Click on OK. So we do not need this previous top view, so select that top view and delete. So this is sectional top view. Now we can give the dimensions. So here it is dimension. So by changing this dimension we can give different dimensions. So in this way we can give the dimensions. Now we can convert into PDF. So click on this export, select export PDF, click on OK, give the name to this PDF. Select the path. So here I have selected desktop, click save and we can open that PDF. This is the PDF generated and we can take the printout of this PDF. Thank you.